Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and good morning to my colleagues joining from Canada. Uh, Thank you very much for Eva and Isaac for lending us this opportunity to be part of this session today. I don't know if we are a good fit or a misfit as a private organization that works in the area of supporting students, international students from India that aspire to pursue higher education outside of India. So we are a private organization that runs a very popular education site called shiksha.com. And this site essentially works in the area of providing information that's useful and unique for Indian students that are looking to pursue higher education in various countries. If you allow me, I'm going to bring up a few slides for all of you to know who we are and what we do. And so I'm just going to share my screen, and I also am mindful of the time. 1 second. I hope my screen is visible to all.
It is, yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Shiksha Study Abroad is like I mentioned, is a very popular, website, higher education website from India. We work with a large number of students that and provide them information on various country, colleges, and exams that they need to kind of take in order to pursue higher education outside of India. We work with thousands of students. We work with a number of universities, education providers, service providers that are important in the overall student recruitment in the students in a from application to enrollment journey. There are various steps at which Shiksha is able to provide them resources and support. And so that's what this site essentially works towards. I'm just going to, sorry. So why are we popular? We get a lot of traffic to the site. We get over 25 million students that visit the site every year. Last year, we had over 25 million students, and they made about 96 million page views. And one of the prime reason why students use or spend a lot of time on this platform is because we curate content which is useful to them. Now, there's information around close to 50,000 programs taught at over 2,000 universities across the globe, and a lot of information around scholarships that students do look out for. That's what makes this site very unique and popular amongst Indian students. Who are we? We come from a large, and very reputed public listed, internet company in India called Info Edge India Limited. We are also known very popularly for, as Naukri.com, which is the #1 job site in India. We also happen to run several other businesses online. A very popular segment in their each of their segment, like 99 Acres is a very popular site in the real estate, Indian real estate sector. Jeevan Sathi is our matrimonial website where we kind of help prospective brides and grooms exchange profiles and find each other. And Shiksha is our education vertical where we are not just helping students that are looking at pursuing higher ed in India, but also higher ed outside of India through Shiksha Study Abroad. InfoEdge, is a large, publicly traded company with over $7 billion market cap. We've been in business for more than a couple of decades now, and are very well known in the subcontinent. We also happen to invest in a lot of upcoming, startups and upcoming businesses. Zomato is amongst one of our, more famous investments. How does Shiksha work? We are, like I mentioned, we curate a lot of content which is useful for students, and therefore, as a site, we've gained a lot of credibility and popularity because the traffic to the site, 90%, excess of 90% of our traffic is organic and comes from various searches that students do on search engines, and they would directly find Shiksha as their top search results. What kind of traction do we see on our platform for Canada? Like I mentioned, there were 25 million page views overall, and close to 300,000 students registered last year in the academic year 2020 and 21. There were close to 3 million users that wanted to have inquired content on Canadian higher education. They've made over 24 million page views. Close to 130,000 students registered with us, seeking information on Canada. Where do these students come from? Roughly about 35,000 students come from metro cities, whereas a large number, a significantly large number of students come from non-metros. Now, this makes it very, very interesting mix because we are making information accessible not just to students that have privilege of being in larger metro cities, but also in areas where there is lack of agents or information organically that flows to students in non-metro cities. Shiksha is a very, very popular site. On the platform, what we see in terms of popularity for Canada, what kind of programs students are seeking information on. Largely, the top 3 segments that we classify information under are we call it MBA courses. It is more liberally used word in India because students refer anything to do with business and management courses at master's level as MBA. So there are these specializations like where do we get most traction under general management in international business, finance, supply chain, and marketing programs under business. Then masters in sciences, clearly computers, engineering, IT, networking. These are the areas where we see more traction. At undergraduate level, also we see this is a very, very evolving and developing segment. While India has largely been a postgraduate market, we see a sharp rise in the demand for undergraduate education in outside of India today. Therefore, and the popular programs that we find for Canada, particularly as a study destination, are computer science and engineering, followed by general management, finance, nursing, and so on. How does the Shiksha model really work? Everything begins at on the platform by as we get a lot of traffic to the platform, we engage our audience through various means and by sharing information around institutions that are relevant for them. We kind of not just provide information online, but we also handhold and support these students through the whole process of nurturing and enabling. We provide them counseling, we enable them to shortlist institutions that they can apply to, help them in their application process, and eventually handle or support them until they have received their visa successfully and have reached their destination. What do we provide for institutions that we largely work with, and also for other service providers? We enable a lot of brand building and ensuring reach, engagement in the digital domain, because this platform is very powerful in its ability to cut across geographies and program specialization in interests in various program areas. So we are able to reach through various tools. These are online marketing tools that we are very specialized at using and delivering results for our partner institutions. One of the largest objectives of all of this is to help institutions in their student recruitment efforts, which we do by supporting them and in fact supporting students in their journey from discovering an institution to finally arriving at one. So Shiksha Counseling is India's first, fully online student enrollment process, which started pre-pandemic and not just as a, reaction to the pandemic. We started our student counseling process online, which was slightly different methodology of student support, so of extending student counseling, whereas India is largely known for years of student counseling being provided in the offline setup, where students would walk into an agency's office and expert counselors would sit down and guide them all the way. Here we started out online because we believe and we know for a fact that India is a young market, and the way information is consumed today is rapidly changing, right? So with advent of internet, we ensured when we launched in 2017, we wanted this to be a fully online service, and this has helped us engage with a lot of self-driven students, students that are more technologically savvy, and are happy to receive information in a digital mode, and eventually so all the services that we provide and the steps of this counseling process are all digitally recorded, audited, monitored, and we take a huge amount of accountability by putting our the reviews of these service online. Now, as you can see, users, this is a completely free-to-use service for students. Shiksha.com does not charge students at all for any of these services. So when students use these services, we kind of take accountability and put the reviews and their ratings back on the website for anybody to come and take a look at our work. And that kind of makes it very, very, kind of credible, as a credible place where students know that their interest is put first. In the last 1 year, like I mentioned, we're an online counseling service, recruitment provider, student recruitment service provider. And the last 1 year, we've done, in 2021, we've done close to 1,100 enrollments. The breakup of which looks something like this. USA, and I'm sorry if the audience here does not think that Shiksha is doing a great job in Canada. I'll tell you the reason why, because we've kind of started out more with partnerships in USA, and we're just starting out in Canada now. So we have fewer partnerships or institutions that we collaborate with, and that's the reason why only a little under 10% of our overall students have gone to Canada, whereas the traffic on our site is kind of resonates that we get a large proportion of our overall traffic is interested to pursue higher education in Canada. So one of the intentions of being here and presenting this to the panel here is that if we are able to take this word out and enable a lot of Canadian institutions to look at the good work that Shiksha is doing in an unbiased manner, I think we will be able to help a lot more, many more Indian students to apply and enroll with Canadian institutions. In terms of programs where we've, this is, I think, is more representative of how the market also is. So over 80% enrollment students that we helped apply and enroll were for postgraduate programs. But the undergraduate segment is 14%, which also is a growth in the last couple of years, and a significant growth, I can assure you of that. Popular programs are clearly around the MS, MIM, MBA, and the technology programs at undergraduate level. In terms of popular program streams, we work with students for business categories, management and business programs, computers, Engineering programs, sciences, technology, these are the top segments where we help students apply to one of their desired institution. In terms of geographical split, Shiksha is, although we are a student recruitment agency, we are neither heavy in the north nor are we extremely heavy down south. There's a very nice, distribution of student interest that comes from various cities, not just like I mentioned, not just metros, also from a large number of non-metro cities. We are able to work with a large number of students and help them accomplish their study abroad dream. In terms of partnerships, like I mentioned, we have few partners. So these are our partners from Canada at the moment. And that's it from me. Thank you very much.